Hello everyone, I am Professor Nanavre JG from Department of Physics, Raja Sripatrao Bhakundrao Mahavidyalaya, Aund. Today I am going to teach magnetic properties of material. We have learned the two magnetic properties, that is magnetic induction, magnetic intensity, and today we are going to learn equivalence between a magnetic shell and current loop. A magnetic shell is a thin magnet of very small length. If such a magnetic shell of dipole moment Pm and area of cross section A is placed in a uniform magnetic field of induction B with its cross sectional area parallel to the field, it is acted upon by a torque T is equal to Pm into B, that is shown in figure A. In this figure A, there is a thin magnetic shell showing N and L S pole pieces placed in uniform magnetic field represented by vector B from left to right, and the cross sectional area of this shell is parallel to the direction of B, magnetic induction, and the torque acting on this shell is shown by the arrow on both sides of the shell. Now this torque acted upon by on a shell represented by capital T is equal to Pm into B, that is dipole moment into magnetic induction. Now when a conducting loop of a area capital A is carrying a current I and is held in a uniform magnetic field of induction B with its plane parallel to the field, it is acted upon by a torque T dash is equal to B, magnetic induction, into A, area of cross section, into I, that means current flowing through this loop. That means same situation here in figure A. Instead of magnetic shell, there is the current loop which carries a current I. As these two torques are equal, therefore if T, capital T, equal to T dash, if we equate these two equations, then we get the magnetic dipole moment Pm is equal to capital A into I. Now here the magnetic induction on both sides gets cancelled, and we got dipole moment Pm is equal to area of cross section A into current flowing through the loop I. It gives the equivalence between a current loop and magnetic shell. A current loop of area A and carrying current I is equivalent to a magnetic shell of dipole moment Pm is equal to AI, directed perpendicular to the plane of the loop and vice versa. Hence, the SI unit of magnetic dipole moment is ampere into meter square. Now, extending this analogy, for a magnet, the dipole moment Pm can be equivalently considered to be due to a coil wound around the magnet with length as the axis and carrying current I, called the surface current. Hence Pm equal to Ai by equivalence, capital M equal to Pm divided by V, that means dipole moment per unit volume, that is nothing but the magnetic intensity. Therefore Pm is equal to Ai divided by V is equal to Al, that means area into length. Therefore that is equal to I divided by L. Hence the intensity of magnetization is also the surface current per unit length of magnet. Hence SI unit of M is, that means intensity of magnetization is A divided by M. That is also stated earlier. So this magnetic intensity is also the pole strength developed per unit area of cross section of the substance magnetization. So this is the equivalence between magnetic shell and current loop. Thank you.